Hello everyone! I'm so excited to show you how to crochet the star stitch today. We're going to start with an odd number of chains. Skip the first chain from your hook and into the next chain. Insert your hook and pull up a loop. With 2 loops on your hook, we're going to do that 4 more times in the next 4 chains to get a total of 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And chain 1 to close your little star. To continue, pull up a loop in that chain we just made. I like to call it the eye of the star. We'll also pull up a loop through these last 2 legs of the star stitch. And another loop in the same stitch as the last loop of our previous star stitch. 4 loops on the hook. Finally insert and pull up a loop in each of the next 2 chains to get a total of 6 loops. Once again, yarn over and pull through 6. Chain 1 to close your star stitch. I'll show you that whole thing one more time. You should have 1 chain left when you reach the end of your row. Place 1/2 double crochet in that chain. For row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. That chain counts as 1/2 double crochet. Make 2 half double crochets in the eye of the star stitch from the previous row. Continue making 2 half double crochets in each star stitch eye. And at the end of the row, place 1/2 double crochet in the last stitch. Now let me show you the star stitch row that you'll be repeating every numbered row. Chain 3 and turn. This chain doesn't count as a stitch, but we're going to work into it to get our 6 star stitch loops on our hook. Insert into the second chain from the hook, pull up a loop into the next chain, pull up a loop, then pick up loops in each of the next 3 stitches as well. With 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 6. Chain 1 to close your star stitch. Then, just like before, pull up a loop in the eye of the star stitch between the last 2 legs of the star stitch in the same stitch as the end of your star stitch and in each of the next 2 stitches. With 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 6 and chain 1. Continue to the end of your row, placing 1/2 double crochet in the last stitch. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until your project is as long as you'd like.